This is static subtraction with the stamp game. Subtraction means to take away, to take one quantity away from another quantity. You've probably done this with the golden bead material already. Just like for static and dynamic addition, which you've already done, I have my stamp game paper with 4 squares across, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a pencil, a ruler, and this time I have a piece of paper. I took a Post-it note like this one, and I just cut it in half. We need that for static subtraction. Just like with addition, we're going to write our numbers on the paper. I wrote 4,607 tens and 2 units. You might say 4,672. You can write this on your paper as well. Once you've written 4,672 on your paper, pause right here so that you can build your number. I'll build my number too. All right, I built my quantity. Hopefully you did too. Let's check our quantities. We needed 2 units, 1, 2, yep. 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got it. You have it at home too. So we're going to write another quantity, the quantity that we want to take away. I'm going to write it on this half of a Post-it. Let's see. I'm going to write 1,200, 3 tens, and 1 unit. Can you write 1,200, 3 tens, and 1 unit on your half of a Post-it? Great. Now I'm going to write it on my grid paper too. Let's do that together. 1,200, 3 tens, and 1 unit. I'm going to take this quantity away from the first quantity. So instead of taking stamps from the box, I'll take them from this quantity. I'll build my new quantity underneath these numbers. I'll move this over here so that I have space and you can see it. I'll start with the units. How many units do I need? That's right, 1 unit. You can do this with me. I need 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And how many hundreds? That's right, 2 hundreds. 1, 2. And then how many thousands? You're right, I need 1,000. Okay. So, I had 4,607 tens and 2 units, and I took away 1,203 tens and 1 unit. You did it too, I hope. Let's see what's left. This number is no longer 4,607 tens and 2 units, is it? Let's see what we have left now that we've taken this away. 1 unit. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. And let's see how many thousands I have left. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 thousands. Just like with addition, we can draw an equals bar above our answer. You've done that before. And this is not addition, so we don't want to make a plus sign. Instead, we'll make a minus sign or a subtraction sign. It's just a line like that. Do you see it? Can you read the whole problem? That's right. 4,600 7 tenths and 2 units minus 1,200 3 tenths and 1 unit equals 3,000 400s 4 tenths and 1 unit. This first number is called the minuend. Minuend. And the number that we take away is called the subtrahend. Subtrahend. Our answer, instead of being called the sum, like in addition, is called the difference. Difference. You've heard that word before. Let's clear our workspace and I will write you a new problem for you to work on your own. Let's see. I don't want to put the thousands where the units go. I've made that mistake before. I'm going to draw a squiggly line to separate one problem from the next. And I will write 6,000s, 300s, 4 tens, and 8 units. That's my minuend. My subtrahend will be 2,000s, 100, 2 tens, and 5 units. Now that I know the minus sign, I can put it right there, and you can too. And then I'll draw my equals bar. Okay. I'm going to leave you to solve this equation on your own. Remember, you can write the subtrahend and build the subtrahend under a half of a Post-it note. So make sure you have that ready so that you can build your subtrahend here. Have fun doing static subtraction. See you again soon.